This is the Harming Splash Potion, and the materials you need is spiderite, fermented spiderite, nether wart, blaze powder, gunpowder, and glowstone. So the first step is to place the brewing stand and put the blaze powder so we can power the brewing stand. And now you just need to place some water bottles. Just get some. So now we place all the water bottles like that and place a nether wart. And now we just need to wait. So now you should have awkward potion. Just take that out. Wait, we can have this. So now we need to put in the spiderite and wait again. Now you should have potion of poison. So take the spider out and put the fermented spiderite. Now you need to wait. So now we actually have the potion of harming, but we want to do it into instant damage 2 and also make it into a splash potion. So what you gotta do is place the glowstone dust and wait. So now you have the instant damage 2, and now you just need to make it into splash potion. So you need to use gunpowder, and now we just need to wait again. So now we got the splash potion, and it also has instant damage too. So you can use it to kill animals, and maybe trap people, make it into arrows, instant damage 2 arrows, and kill other people. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.